Hello, everyone. Let's continue our theme of data interpretation questions. And in this video, I'm going to again solve one more set of five questions on data interpretation. So, normally you see pie charts or bar charts or line charts, etc. This one is slightly different. Here we have the descriptive, like some data is given in the form of a paragraph or a passage. From this we extract the information and then we try to solve the problem. So again, as usual, I will show you all the questions first. So this is directions for question number 16 to 20. Some description is given, you can go through this. Based on this you need to then solve question number 16 and 17. Right now are there on your screen. Again, you can pause and have a look at it. Similarly, question number 18 and 19 are here. And finally, question number 20 is here. So I am showing you all the questions beforehand itself, and the initial data also is there. So please try to uh, work on this particular problem without my support. You can try on yourself, and finally you can compare your answers with my answers. Okay, so with that, let's step into the video. Here is the question. So this is looks like, flooring of a software company is to be renovated, and all the rooms are rectangular shape. So some information is giving like this is given. So let us try to make a note of this. So this kind of problems, it will be nice if you can make your own data tables or your own, because the data table is not given. Okay, so let us do that. So all the rooms are rectangular in shape. The area is to be renovated, consists of conference room, measuring, manager office, measuring. So I think some different rooms are there. So there's a conference, manager, server room, and a lobby. Okay, so let's see. I'll just make a note of that. Yeah. So we are now talking about question number 16, which is the first question basically. So, but before that, let's make the list. Okay, so rooms. So we have conference, and what else we have? Manager's office, server room. So manager's office, server room, and then lobby and development hall. Okay, so lobby, and I'll simply call it hall or development hall. So the room dimensions are given, length and width. Okay, so conference is 19 by 17. So 19 by 17. So this is in meters. So whereas the manager's office is 9 by 9, so 9 by 9. Server room is 6 by 7, 6 by 7. And lobby is 14 by 20, so 14 by 20. And the development hall is 38 meters by 46 meters, 38 meters by 46 meters here. So the total area of the company is 3950 square meters. Here, one thing you should note that this total area of company may be more than the total area of all these rooms together. So that we will verify that actually. So the total area of the company is 3950. So 3950 square meters. Okay. Two types of flooring are being considered, namely wooden and carpet. The rate of wooden flooring is 130. So I think that I'll write a little below here, or maybe I'll make a small table here. Wooden and carpet. So 130 rupees per meter square. So this is 130 rupees per meter square. So this is rupees per meter square. And carpet flooring is 260 rupees per meter square. The conference room, manager's office, development hall will receive carpet flooring. Okay. Conference, manager, and hall will receive carpet flooring. So conference will receive carpet flooring, and hall also will receive carpet. Whereas the lobby and server room will receive wooden flooring. So wooden flooring and wooden flooring. This is the type of flooring. What else? Okay, I think that's it. So all the data that is given in the paragraph I mentioned here. So even before I look at question number 16, let us quickly calculate the area. Okay, so what is the area? So 19 into 17. Okay, so quickly we'll do the calculation. So 19 into 17, which comes to 323. So this is 323. 9 into 9 is 81. 6 into 7, 6 into 7. Okay, so 6 sevens are 42. Because this is wooden floor, I will slightly write it on the side. And lobby 14 into 20. So I think 14 twos are 28. So this will be 280. And finally, carpet, this hall area 38 into 46. So 38 into 46, which comes to 1748. So 1748. Now, actually, if I total all these numbers, I will be getting the total area. So again, uh, just for ease to distinguish between wooden floor and carpet floor, I written this. I did not align these numbers, but anyway. So let's calculate the total flooring area. Okay, so these numbers I will add. So 323, 81, 42. So this 1748 already there, plus 280. I'll just move this aside. So I'm going vertically up. So 1748, 280, then 42 I will add, then 81 I will add, and 323 I will add. So it comes to 2474. Okay. So let me write it down. 2474 square meters. Okay. So these are all in meter square. Now the total company area is more, and then this was the flooring area. Okay. So these two numbers are not same. Just keep in mind. Now I can also find the cost. Okay, so because carpet cost is given. Okay, so what will be the cost? 260 multiplied by 323 will be the cost of flooring the conference room. Okay, so I think let's calculate that also. 323 into 260. So 323 into 260. So that gives me 839.80. So let's write it here, 83980. Similarly, this 81. Okay, so 81 into 260. Actually, I should use Excel sheet to do this. That will be much better. But then, because we are trying to understand conceptually and try to do it, you know, in a hands-on way, I am not using Excel. And this is a cost with respect to okay flooring. So now 42 should be multiplied by 130 because wooden flooring. Okay, so here 42 multiplied by 130, 5460. So 5460 is the cost here, and 280 multiplied by 130, 280 multiplied by 130 will give me 36,400. And finally 1748 multiplied by carpet, right? So this is going to be big amount, 1748 multiplied by 260. So 4 lakh 54,000, 4 lakh 54,480. Okay. So this is the cost. So now obviously I can calculate the total cost also for all this. I think when it comes to it, let us see at the time. Just trying to make it look good. So now shall we go to the questions? So what is question number 16, question number 17, so on. So let's refer to that. So question number 16, what is the ratio of total cost for carpet flooring versus total cost for wooden flooring? Okay, so now I need to add the carpet flooring and wooden flooring. Okay, so cost for wooden flooring, cost for carpet flooring, I will add here. So here, I think the this one, this one, and the last one. So these three are under carpet flooring. Okay, so let us add these three. In fact, okay, I think let's not complicate. Let's add this. So 839.80 Already I have this big number. So plus 21060 plus 83980. 83980. So 5,59,520. So this is the whole cost of carpet. 5,59,520. Now let's calculate for the wood. So wood is again this and this. Looks like slightly lesser. So 36400 plus 5460. So 41,860. So 41,860. Now I need to find the ratio of these two. So zeros can be cancelled out when I find the ratio, because question number 16 is asking what is the ratio of the total cost. And these numbers are all, uh, our numbers are in thousands and lakhs, but these numbers are much smaller. That means some kind of simplification needs to be done. So one thing you notice here, see the wooden is 130 and 260. Actually, 260 is the double of 130. So right away I can see 260 being some kind of a uh, LCM of these two numbers at least, or one of the factors of these two numbers. So that is a unique feature of this thing. So what I will do, I in order to find the ratio, okay, so I need what the ratio of C is to W I need to find. So I'll take these two numbers and divide by 260. Okay. So then we'll see what happens. So this number 41860 divide by 260. So it comes to 161 directly. So this corresponds to wood 161. And then what about this one? 559, 520. So I'll take that number, this number maybe. I don't know. Okay. So if I, this number divided by 260 again, the same factor. So 2152. Okay. So 2152. So now, how to simplify a fraction? You might have already studied in your school. So I used a similar method here. So instead of individually doing by 10 by 5 or whatever, I directly looked at a bigger number 260, and then looks like this is a direct option available in one of the choices. So choice B is matching with that. So for us, the answer to the question number 16 is B. So question number 16 answer is B. So far so good. Let's speed up. So what is question number 17? The manager's room height is 10 meters. The four walls and the ceiling of this room also needs to be painted at the cost of 180 rupees per meter square. What is the total cost of renovation of only manager's room, including the cost of flooring? Okay, so we are now focusing on manager's room. So let's. I think the painting also is there. So if I simply draw the manager's room like a room like this, like a cube or something. So here, the manager's room, the flooring is 9 by 9. Okay, so if I see in the above table what we prepared, so it is 9 by 9 is the manager's room. This one, and the height is 10 meters. Okay. So the question says the manager's room height is 10 meters. The four walls and the ceiling of this room also need to be painted at the cost of. So we will ignore any doors or anything. So there are four walls, right? So this perimeter of this will be what, 9 into 4. So 9 into 4, 9 for the 36 is the perimeter. For the entire perimeter, four walls means if I multiply by 10, I'll get 360 meters as the four walls area. And what about the ceiling area? So 9 into 9 is 81. So if I add 81 meter square, that will be the ceiling. So if I add these two, that will go to 441 meter square of painting area. And what is the painting cost mentioned? So if you see here, the painted at the cost of 180 rupees per meter square. So 441 into 180 gives me the painting cost. So by the way, this is question number 17. 441 into 180. Okay, so let's go to our calculator. 441 multiplied by 180. That gives me 79,380. 79,380. That's, you know, too costly to paint one room, but who are we to judge here? So anyway, so now I got this, but what is exactly asked in the question? The question what is asking is what is the total cost of renovation of only manager's room, including cost of flooring? So this is cost of painting. And what about cost of flooring? So if I go down, the cost of flooring is 21,060. Here we can see 21060. So I will write that here, 21060 rupees. So this is the for painting and this is for flooring. So let me add all these things. 144 10 and 7 8 9 10. So looks like 1 lakh 440 rupees is the answer. So let's see whether this answer is matching somewhere in the choices. Yes, so option D is matching. No, sorry, not option D. Option A is matching. Okay, so 100 440. So option A is matching. So answer 17 is option A. So far, so good. Let's continue. So, what is question number 18? Okay, so again, you can pause the video here. You can try to answer the question number 18 yourself before trying out my answer so that you will also get some practice. Okay, what is the remaining area of the company that is not considered under the renovation work? Yes. So remember, earlier again, if I go back, the total area of the company is given and the flooring area is given. So remaining area will be the difference of these two, 3950 minus 2474. Okay, so let us do that. So 3950 2474. So that is our answer. 3950 2474. Let me remember that. 3950 minus 2474. That is our answer to the 18th question. Okay, let's do that. So 3950 minus 2474. So it comes to 1476. 1476 meters square. This is the unused or something that is not covered in the renovation work. Is it 1476? Yeah. So option C is matching. So for question number 18, answer is option C. So now let's come to question number 19. So what is question number 19? What is the total cost of renovation for the conference room and server room? Okay. So again, let's use our table. So conference room is this one and the server room is this one. Okay. What is the total cost of renovation? Conference room and server room. So these two numbers I am supposed to add. Let's do it in the calculator. I'll just uncover these numbers. Okay. So 83980. So we should be careful not to make any mistakes here. 5460. So 89,440 is the answer. 89440. So let us see. So yes, option B is matching 89440. So that is the our answer. Option B for question number 19. 89440, which is option B. Now finally we come to question number 20. So what is question number 20? This project including the flooring renovation for all the specified rooms and the painting cost for manager room has been completed. Okay, good. So the company received a discount of 20% on the total cost of the project. So what is the amount to be paid considering the discount? So now I need to add total flooring and total painting. So okay, so painting cost I already know here. Okay, so this number I already know. So total painting cost is 79380. This is total P and total flooring. FL. So how much is the total cost I need to actually, right now I don't know. So let's see. So in this case, I need to add these all numbers, right? All these numbers I need to add to get the total. Okay, so let us add the total here. Okay, so what will be the total of all of this? So again, I'll go to my calculator. So some of the numbers are there. Okay, this number is there already. Plus this number is there, 36,400. Plus this number is there. Plus, okay, luckily I have all these numbers. This particular calculator app is allowing me to use the previous numbers. I think that's it. Five numbers I'm adding. 6 lakh 1,380. So that is the total cost here. 6 lakh 1,380. Okay, interesting. 380, 380 is matching. Anyway, so let's add these two numbers. So what I need to do now, to this total, I will add this number 79,380. So that gives me 6,80,760. 6,80,760 rupees is the total bill for uh, painting and flooring. So actually, I should have given that as one of the options. But anyway, so now we need to consider 20% discount. Okay, what is 20% of this? So into point 0.2. So 1 lakh, say 136,152. So 136,152 is the discount. So I will subtract this to find the total amount in the bill. Okay. So I will do the reverse. So from this I will subtract this number. So I'm getting 5,44,608. So 5,44,608 as my total bill after discount. Okay, so in this particular problem, we are not considering GST, so no GST. So otherwise, again, the bill will go back to higher amount. Anyway, so the answer we are looking for is 5,44,608, which is matching with option D. So finally, option D is the correct option. So let's collect all the answers and put in one place. I mean, this is my practice. It is always good to summarize all your answers in one place. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what are the answers? So 20 just now we did. Answer is D. And if I keep going up, B, C, A, B. B, C, A, B in the reverse order. B, C, A, B. So finally, this is my final answers. So I hope you found this particular question interesting. It is not like in a traditional way in which we have the pie chart or this kind of thing. It is more on a paragraph basis. So I'll show that once again. So So this is the data, and we extracted data from it, prepared a table, and answered the question. I'm going to make similar videos, small sets of five questions on data interpretation. Series of videos are going to come on this channel. So if you like it, please press the like button and you subscribe for getting more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.